what? Someday you're gonna be working for me.
They always turn down my ideas. Never even give it a chance. You know what? Screw them. I'm just gonna make it myself anyways. This is gonna be the perfect shot. I'll show them. Alright. Welcome to Cooking with Him! Cooking with him? Cooking with him? Cooking with him? Cooking with him. That's it. Welcome to Cooking with Him. We're gonna be making some great stuff today, guys. But first,
oh my god! That was an alien hiding in my basket! But wait, it was hiding, and it screamed. It's probably just as scared as I am. It didn't appear to have any malicious intent.